This is a real important message. I was waking up early morning, and he showed me, because I was fretting over the fact that my plants were just really suffering out here, and this is what they were doing. So I asked the Lord to show me how to take care of this. Now, the other day, I did a video where this looked like it was just wilting, so I added water. But if you look right here, you can feel the stem and it's soft in the middle. You go right here and it's firm. But you get down here and look. Look at this. Focus in on this, Beth.
Oh, wow.
Okay, and so he told me to go 3 stalks back, which is 3 of these little things back. So that would put it right about here. And I'm gonna cut that and pull it out. Now, when I was doing this the other day, I was like, but Lord, look at, I have baby cantaloupes on here, and I don't want to lose these baby cantaloupes. And what he showed me, see, here's a baby cantaloupe right there. And I didn't want to lose them. And I said, and I'm cutting so much of the good stuff off. But see, just like life, if we don't start pruning, getting pruned back, where's that spot that we had here? Trying to find it. It's right here.
Right here.
Okay, right here. This is where the critter got in and started eating. Okay, and if we don't get pruned back past that, that critter could be anywhere from here down through here. We know he's not down here because this is still nice and firm. This is still nice and firm, but he's been in here. So we want to assure that he's not back here. So just like our lives, God prunes us back. And when he prunes us back, he has to take back some of the good stuff that he's put in our lives. And when he does, guess what? We get a bigger harvest and a greater harvest as a result of that. And now we don't have all this dead weight over here carrying us. We have room to flourish. Now, look, where I cut that off right here, it was, where was that at? Right here. Okay, here's where I cut it off at. Now what we want to do with that, it's what I've always done, because the bugs like to smell this stuff and they come after it. So you take and get you some dirt, and I'm trying to do this one-handed here. But you take and get some dirt and you smear it on that. And when you smear it on that, it causes it to start healing right away. It stops the smell that attracts the bugs, because this cantaloupe is very, very sweet smelling, and you don't want to cause something to come after your plants because of that. And so we're going to take this and put it in our soup bucket.
So it is actually causing your garden to grow.
Yes, because...
Oh, culprit.
What?
Culprit right there. That's a big sucker.
You're teaching me with my imperfections, reaching me when I run the other direction. I'm undone, unraveling my plans, make me